He sealed it with an ace. He has indeed. He gets the job done, and what a match, what an upset here in Beijing. No doubt about it, the biggest upset of the week so far. A lackluster performance from Grigor Dimitrov, but take nothing away from the performance of Dusan Lajovic. He has come out and played in parts quite beautifully. Took the first set comfortably 6-4. Back came Dimitrov in the second. Lajovic had a chance to go a double break up in the third, couldn't take it, but was given another lifeline and wraps it up. 6-4 in the decider.